Alright then, Deepak here again. Welcome to my channel. Today I have something, let's say girlish kind of item to unbox. Now I have in my hand here a Dyson Airwrap Complete. Now I'm doing this video because let's say holiday season is coming up. So I believe this will be a perfect gift for your wife, for your girlfriend, for your, let's say, fiance, whoever you prefer to give. Alright, so now this is a complete package of all the hair styler, curler, let's say. So these are the things what it comes inside the box, and we're gonna see exactly how it looked like inside. Alright, so without further ado, let's crack it open. Alright, so here you go. Now if you guys don't know, Dyson is a British company and they do a lot of products like let's say vacuum cleaner, air purifier. Okay, let me just do like oh yeah, perfecto, alright. So now this casing comes in two different colors as far as I know. One comes in like a red, yep, and then this is a very nice brown leather finish. Come closer, let's see what it is inside. So the stitching is very nice, as British craftsmanship is well known for. So boom. Now I'm personally no hairstyle or anything, but I just wanted to give a flair to the season coming up, holiday season, and this is what it is inside. Really a very nice suede finish inside. So you have the actual body here, multiple heads. Okay, give to your ladies, they will know what it is about actually. So here it is. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 total 8 replaceable heads. Okay, now these are for curlers as far as I know, and these are for, like, let's say scrub around or something. And then this is the main actual body that you can, all you have to do is, that's it. Okay, so on the inner to unlock, 1 second. So let me not, you see here at the back, so you have the unlock latch, just pull it up, that's it. All goes with the same idea of latching in, and you have the actual cable in here, some paperworks, all right, some manuals, and what is this one? Let's see, this I have not come across. Okay, so I don't know what is this, but looks fancy to me really. Okay, so this is all for the men who wants to impress their ladies. It's a very good gift for the holiday season. And this is pretty much it. A very short and sweet unboxing of Dyson Airwrap Complete. A very amazing gift for your ladies. Alright, so I think that's it, what we have to say, and hopefully we'll have something interesting on the way. Please stay tuned for my to my channel, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Cheers.